gusting winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later.
It might be a double header.
Warnings.
Because there's an SVR.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 516 has been issued until midnight Monday, or 1 a.m. Monday for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois, Gibson, Perry, Pike.
That might not go off because it's on the same standby.
And Ward, and the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson, and Union.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern White County in southeastern Illinois, southwestern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, southern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, southwestern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, north central Posey County in southwestern Indiana, until 6 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Albion, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albion, Grayville, Owensville, New Harmony, Belmont, Kingsburg, Griffin, and Browns. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 1
Oh
and
God,
11.
almost just fell.
Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 128 and 130. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Wabash, and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Gibson and Posey. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern White County in southeastern Illinois, southwestern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, Van Ripert County in southwestern Indiana, southwestern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, northwestern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, northern Union County in northwestern Kentucky, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Owensville to Crossville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. This storm has produced quarter-sized hail in Albion, Illinois. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Owenville, Porterville, New Harmony, and Rossville around 5:45 p.m. Cynthiana around 5:50. Hotstaff and Blanchville around 6 p.m. Evansville, Vernon, and Dornstead around 6:05 p.m. Aspen around 6:10 p.m. Other locations in Addis,
Oh my God!
Morning includes the
The transmitter's glitching out.
Between mile 20 and 22. Interstate 64 in mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 4 in Illinois between mile markers 124 and 130. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm had an issue on
Damn it!